Why the fiscal fourth quarter always softens for cannabis cultivators. Ever notice sales spikes right before Thanksgiving, but then flattens out just after that for the rest of the year? Let's talk about why Q4 is always softening around this time for the cannabis industry and what cultivators can do to stay profitable through it. Every October and November, outdoor harvests flood the market. This Croptober glut drives wholesale prices down and squeezes cultivator margins right when the growers are trying to sell their product. We see it every year. Inventory climbs, prices fall. The retail demand is spiky. It's not steady. Retail looks good on paper. Green Wednesday jumps 50% year over year, but the rest of the week, sales are flat. The retailers run deep discounts for products during the holidays, but that pressure falls back on the cultivators. December softens even more. Even though all those promotions, December in 2024 had 3% lower sales year over year. So despite the holiday hype, total sales volumes still drop. Meanwhile, your operating costs go up. Indoor and greenhouse cultivators pay more in overhead operational costs, raising your costs per pound while the wholesale prices bottom out. It's the worst timing for cultivation margins. In California especially, we're dealing with price compression, insurance hikes, robberies, and even wildfires. On top of this is oversupplied market. The macro pressures amplify Q4 slowdown even more. In general, the economy is struggling and companies across the US typically will lay off employees during the slow season. Even if they have temporary needs, it's short term. This is compounded with the AI wave where everybody's getting laid off and having less disposable income. That in turn affects the cultivator section because the consumers means that they're not able to purchase the same amount of product, thus less bulk is going to be sold, whether in dispensaries or at the street level. This squeezes wholesale brokers' margins as well, so less boxes are getting bought and sold. And if the growers aren't selling their bulk flower, they can't pay their operating bills and their staff, and it worsens the overall community and economy. The solution? To ride this out, we suggest that growers front-load contracts before Croptober, lock in pricing early, focus on quality value SKUs that sell well at a dispensary level. I'm curious, what are your thoughts, guys, and experience across the US on Q4 and how we can solve this as a group of cultivators? Take care. Happy growing.